Hi, hello, namaste, वनकम, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब. Welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR. तो कैसे हो सब लोग? In today's video, I will be talking about manufacturing of beer. So let's get started. What is beer? Beer made by brewing and fermenting malted barley and sometimes other cereals with hops added to flavor and stable it. And it has average alcohol content of 5 to 8% alcohol by volume. Now let us talk about ingredients for beer. In this, we have divided in two categories: main ingredients and other ingredients. In main ingredients, we have barley, water, hops, and yeast. In other ingredients, we have additives, flavoring enhancer, and clarifying agent. Let us know something about main ingredients. Starting from barley, it is a major source of starch. It has fibrous husk, rich in enzyme amylase, should be low in nitrogen, which can affect fermentation. Now, why is barley used? Why can't we use different grains? Because it is cheaply available, not used as a staple diet, low in protein. In barley, there are three types. First one, 2-row barley, which is minimum protein content. Second one, 4-row barley, which is maximum protein content. And third one, 6-row barley, which is protein content between 2-row and 4-row barley. Now, in process of malting barley, there are three steps: sieved, which removes straw and other extra materials; dried, prevents the development of malt and premature fermentation; third, kilning, which is intensity and duration changes. Let us talk about the second main ingredient, which is water. The most important ingredient. It makes 85 to 95% of the volume of the beer is made of water. The quality and mineral content of water directly affects the character of the beer. Did you know it takes 75 liters of water to make 330 ml of beer? Wow. If you know this fact, let me know your answer in my comment section. Let us talk about the third main ingredient, which is hops. Humulus lupulus is a plant from which we get hops. This plant lasts for about 10 to 12 years. A single plant has male and female flower. The female flower is dried and crushed, and the spices are used to make beer. It is a primary flavoring agent, contributes to overall character, and it has a natural preservative. In hops, there are so many types like Cascade, Crystal, Huller, Goldings, and Progress. What is the function of hops? To add bitterness, to keep the beer lasting long, add flavors, clarifying agent, and aroma. Let us talk about the fourth main ingredient, which is yeast. Yeast is the catalytic facilitate the reaction which converts sugar to alcohol and carbon dioxide. Fermentation byproduct can affect the character of beer. There are two types of yeast: Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is top fermented ale, and Saccharomyces carlsbergensis, which is bottom fermented lager. Now let us talk about other ingredients of beer. First, additives to improve flavor and aroma, to improve color. In additives, mostly used are sugar and grains. In sugar, we have cane sugar, brown sugar, and priming sugar. In grains, we have rice, flaked maize, and torrefied wheat. Now you might have question, why sugar and grains? Because sugar ferment easily and that can increase alcohol content, and sugar is used as blocks or as a syrup. Now why grains? Because they are used as a partial substance for barley to give beer a lighter color and dried quality. Let us go to the second other ingredients, which is flavor enhancer. Adding extra flavoring in beer is an old tradition. In the days before hops, the brewers made their own flavor called gruit. Often it would contain herbs, spices, or fruits. For example, honey, chili, ginger, cherry, banana, coriander, apple, etc. Now let us go to the third other ingredient, which is clarifying agent. The process of clarifying the beer by attracting all the sediments, the brewers add one or more clarifying agent that collects all the solids along with the protein solids. This process makes the beer appear bright and clean. For clarifying, they use isinglass. What is isinglass? Substance made from the air bladders of various fish, especially sturgeon. Now let us talk about the manufacturing process of beer. In this process, there are various steps to be followed. They are malting, mashing, laddering, brewing, hop bag, cooling, fermentation, maturing, maturing, clarifying, pasteurizing, and packaging. Let us discuss about the manufacturing process of beer step by step. First one is malting. What is malting? Barley is required for brewing and it has 3 steps. Stepping, which is soaking the grains in water. Second one, germinating. They spread the grains in the floor to breathe for 5 days till grains become sprout and they are called green malt. Killing. They bake the green malt to stop germinating. Second one is mashing. After killing the dried and roasted malt is milled to coarse powder called grist. Third one is lardering. The wort is taken to a copper slot of massive brew kettle made of stainless steel where sugar and hops are added and boiled for 1.5 hours. Now what is wort? The liquid which we get after mashing, and it contains sugar that will be fermented by yeast to produce alcohol. Fourth one is brewing. Now what is brewing? Stepping and boiling grist and hops are infusing them in hot water to extract sugar flavor and other substances at 100 degrees Celsius for 1 or 2.5 hours. Fifth one is hop back. This mixture is then taken to hop back, a large tank where the hops settle for 40 minutes. Sixth one is cooling, where the temperature of wort is brought down to the temperature favorable for fermentation. Seventh one is fermentation. Is a process where yeast and sugar converts into alcohol and carbon dioxide. The wort is now put into fermentation tank and mixed with yeast. Now, 2 types of fermentation can take place. One, top fermentation, which is ale, or bottom fermentation, which is lager. Eighth one is maturing, which is adding flavor in beer. Ninth one is clarifying. The beer is now racked into cask which clear some of the debris left after fermentation. Ice in glass are injected into each cask before dispatching to further clarifying the beer. Tenth one is pasteurizing. Process of heating the beer final container at 60 to 65 degrees Celsius at least for 20 minutes, which kills bacteria in beer as well as yeast. In this there are 2 methods: flash pasteurizing and tunnel pasteurizing. This pasteurizing is only for cans and bottles. 11th one is packing. The beer comes in following containers depending on markets like casks, bottles, tanks and cans, etc. Till now we have learned what is beer, ingredients of the beer, manufacturing process of the beer. So in my upcoming videos I'll be talking about more alcohol manufacturing process. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel AB Arts. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Signing off, your XYZ.